If you've been thinking about learning how to weld, but haven't had the opportunity or the location where you can go in and actually start welding to see if it's something that you would like to do with your life, coming soon in Union City, Georgia, we're introducing an 8-hour workshop in MIG welding, teaching you how to do the MIG welding process, put the PPE on, do some welding to figure out if it's something you want to do, or get enough information where you can go back to your garage or you can go back to your shop and you can start doing some things on your own. The course is only $225 for an 8-hour setting. We're going to be working with you hands-on, teaching you how to do everything from start to finish. This is a great opportunity if you are in Atlanta, Georgia, and surrounding areas. We will be in the 16-phase diesel building in Union City, Georgia. So for those who want to get signed up, all you have to do is email your welding coach, or you can call or text the number 404-368-6050. That's 404-368-6050 to get on the waiting list to join this 8-hour workshop. Our goal is to start this workshop in July, family. So get signed up now to get your hog on with us later. Y'all be blessed.